Hi, in this recording, I'm going to show you how to add your Google Calendar to a Wix classroom page. First thing I did was I went up to Pages here, made sure I went to my ITC calendar page, which is where we're at now. You can see this gray area is where I want my calendar to be. If you go over to the plus sign over on the left, click that. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Apps. Click on Apps, and then I will add a HTML box. It adds a simple gray box until I can paste my HTML code in there. So I'll click on that, go to my settings. Over in settings, I'm going to change the mode from website address to HTML code. I've previously copied my iframe HTML code from Google Calendar, so I will paste it and then hit update. Once I do that, I can close out of this window and simply resize my calendar to however big I want it on my screen. Once I've resized it, I can center it just like you would in PowerPoint with a little line. Drag it down a little bit so it's out of the way, and there you go. That's all there is to it.